Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel viewers. In front of me DOOGEE V Max, and now I'm gonna show you top 3 bad themes for this device. So the best theme on the third place is the Niagara launcher. So it's really minimalistic launcher with really great appearance, so it's really minimalistic. Here you have only your favorite apps, and here you have alphabetical line to find any application you need. For example, you need to find the Play Store, just drag your finger to B button, and to find YouTube, just drag it to Y button. And great, it's really easy to use and to see. On the second place in my top is Smart Launcher 6. So just open Smart Launcher 6, click Get Started, confirm, continue. Here you can pay for premium, but I suggest you use it completely for free. We can use it completely for free. You need to pay only for Prime wallpapers, and that's it. And great, here we have really beautiful appearance, really beautiful interface. But here we have great object grouping feature, so I really like this launcher about it. And here you have wallpapers gallery, really the best wallpapers gallery ever, and completely for free. Of course, you can pay live wallpapers, but you need to pay for it. And but all normal wallpapers are completely for free. And Microsoft Launcher I have set up on the first place in my tab because oh my gosh, no, not now, because it's most functional launcher ever, and it's really light and easy to use. So for example, just see it. So here, as you can see, have the glance panel, and using the glance panel we can set up all our favorite widgets. So you can set up all your widgets here, and you even don't need to switch between thousands of home screens to find your widgets. And it's really great. And here you have great main menu. In the main menu you can find for application using the alphabetical line. You can hide apps. If you don't need apps in your main menu, for example, I think you don't need for example torch or toolbag on the main menu, and you can hide it, or for example sim toolkit. And of course, killer feature of this launcher is the gestures. So just open the launcher settings, find gestures here, and here choose, for example, I don't know, 2-finger swipe up, for example, apps, and I want to open, for example, calculator. Go back to the home screen, and now just swiping from down to up, I will open the calculator, and you can set up all gestures. You can swipe up, 2-finger swipe up, and swipe down to 3 fingers. Touch and hold with 2 fingers, with 3 fingers. So you can set up it and easily use your DOOGEE device. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.